This is so cute. I already love this place. There's a little doggy on our bed. Roxy Wolf. Adorable. I'm staying at the Rockwell Inn in Jackson, Wyoming. I always want to say Jackson, Mississippi, but Jackson, Wyoming, where Jackson Hole is, the famous ski area. So Rockwell Inn is kind of like right in downtown, at the very end of downtown's like little shopping strip. But it is like within walking distance to a lot of eateries, bars, and shops here. Mainly wanted to stay here because wanted to go check out Grand Teton National Park. So staying 2 nights here. This is our second night tonight, and then we check out tomorrow. When I was looking up hotels to stay in the Jackson, Wyoming area, it was between this hotel and the 49er Inn. 49er Inn was a bit cheaper, but Rockwell Inn just seemed a lot nicer. So we decided to spend a little bit more money and stay at the Rockwell Inn. And I'm really happy with our choice because I love this hotel. It's been like really nice staying here. It's like really comfy and cozy. We love all the amenities here so far. So let's see, going over amenities. There is complimentary breakfast from 6 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. We had breakfast this morning. It's in the lobby upstairs floor. It's kind of a small area, but if you can't, find seating there, you can probably bring it downstairs because their lobby area is kind of big too. They had kind of like the typical complimentary breakfast, like the waffles, eggs, and sausage, cereals, yogurt, breads, and coffee and teas. So we had that this morning. That's pretty good. Very average free breakfast. And then what else do they have? They have an indoor pool. I didn't use it, but checked it out today. It's very small. It's such a small indoor pool. There's actually a jacuzzi there too if you want to use it. They also have a laundry facility. They have 4 washers and dryers there. I think it was like $3 for the washer and $2 for the dryer. And they do take credit cards too. And they said that if you need laundry detergent, that the lobby can supply that for you. There's also free bikes here, like if you want to ride bikes around town, which is lovely, by the way. Not just like the downtown area, but you could take it towards the mountains. Like if you go towards Mormon Road, there's like this beautiful scenery that you can ride along, and they have like proper trails there along the way too. So that'll be like a nice option to do if you have time. There is no limit on how long you can take out the bikes. You just have to sign your name at the front and you can just take off with the bikes. Oh, this is my favorite. They have free hot cookies at 5 p.m. I actually had 2 yesterday. Got a little bit greedy because it was so good. They also have water, lemonade, which was really good, and coffee. It was like right across from the check-in area. There is no gym on site, but if you want to use a fitness center, they will give you a day pass to the rec center that's located across the street. So we're staying in room 2102. So it's on the first floor. There's a room above us, which I heard them sometimes at night. Like I heard the footsteps and this morning, but it wasn't anything bothersome to the point where I couldn't sleep. I think it's just normal noise level when somebody walks upstairs from you. It's convenient parking because you get to park right in front of your hotel room, which is really nice because I always have a lot of luggage, so it's great to have the car right there so we could easily bring all our stuff in. The room is actually pretty spacious. I got a 2 queen bedroom, and what I really loved about it right when I walked in was a little stuffed animal of the wolf named Roxy. I just love little themed things like that. It just makes me happy. And right outside of our room is this nice little courtyard area. I think there's like a couple couches and like these nice Edison lights above. So it'll be really nice at night, I'm sure. We just haven't checked it out at night because we're just so tired that we pass out before it gets dark. We always wake up early too, so that's the reason why we never check it out, but I'm sure it's lovely. We actually saw some people using it this afternoon. So yeah, I guess I'll give a quick room tour. So everything's a mess right now because I am charging everything. I used up a bunch of batteries today being out at Grand Teton National Park, just taking pictures of everything because it's so beautiful here. But yeah, they have this cube thing where they have a ton of outlets and USB ports, so I'm basically using like half of it. So this is a nice working desk area. And then across from that is this nice area to store and hang your luggage or your coats or your hats. Tyrone used like the space nicely. And yeah, so they have like, you know, several hooks here and then little hooks there. He's even using this to store his beanies. And next to that is a chair and a dresser with the TV. Haven't used the TV at all. I'm sure it works fine. I'm not gonna even record the beds because I did that yesterday and it's a hot mess right now, so I'm not gonna even show that. But yeah, so in here is the closet. There's some blankets up there and an ironing board. I was using this luggage rack in here at first, but I decided to bring my luggage out here because I could not see in there. It's so dark in here. That's the one little complaint I have about this room, is that it's so dark. And even if you turn on all the lights, it's still dark in here. So yeah, we're just using this bed to store all our stuff and our clothes so we could see things better. But otherwise, I just kind of use this space to store all of my other stuff. And over here is the bathroom area. It's actually really spacious. I like all the counter space we have. And I like this area too, where we have a microwave, refrigerator, and a Keurig. I haven't used it because we get complimentary coffee at the lobby. But the fridge we're using so we can keep our water and coffee, like cold coffee or canned coffee cold. And then I thought there was no freezer, but there is a little freezer up top. A little freezer up top where I'm freezing the ice packs, which we'll need for tomorrow. It's a full-length mirror here. Nice big mirror there. There is no hooks here, so I'm using this towel bar to hang my toiletry bag. Again, I wish bathrooms had more hooks, so I can hang more stuff up here. And this is the bathroom in here. Again, it's really spacious. It's a toilet and a nice shelf here with like lots of towels and body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. It's a hairdryer back there. And then this is the tub and shower area. I like that hole in the wall over there. Tub looks nice. I actually like that they provided a full mat. It's not just like a towel. It's like a legit bathroom mat. So that's kind of nice. Okay, so that's about it. This is my new buddy, Roxy. I can actually take him home if I want to. It's $25, and I'll just add it to the room. But yeah, so the beds were actually pretty comfortable. I slept really good. So good that I overslept this morning. Yeah, like overall, I really like staying at this hotel. It's been very convenient. Love all the amenities. Love my little stuffed animal. And yeah, I highly recommend staying here. So if you're looking for a hotel that's near Grand Teton National Park or just in Jackson or Jackson Hole, then I think this is a great place to stay. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.